साथ में साइड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी सोनम जी रखिएगा वहीं पे सोनम
वहां पे आपको सारी टिप्स मिल जाएंगी कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, और स्पेशली क्या तब नहीं करना चाहिए जब आप नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं कि आपकी वो आपको मदर लवर बोले। सुना वो मदर लवर, रिमेंबर? हाँ हाँ, ओके, कैन वी मेक सम नॉइज यार? क्या हो गया? शादी वादी की मुस्कुरा रहे हो, पूरा दांत दिखा दिए यहाँ पे। एंड दिस साइड, या कम ऑन, मेक सम नॉइज गाइस, पुट योर हैंड्स अप इन द एयर। या आई एम नॉट गोना स्टार्ट ऐसे। वीरे दी वेडिंग की बात हो रही है, क्या हो गया, है ना? The second most awaited wedding of the year. पहली तो हो गई, सोनम कपूर आहूजा, congratulations. Yeah, of course we had to do that. Yeah, we had to do that. See, your fellow actors are, you know, they'll second me on that. Okay, so to start the evening, ladies and gentlemen, may I invite, आऊं क्या नीचे? अच्छा. So may I invite on stage 3 very important gentlemen जो कि इन 4 महिलाओं को हैंडल करते नजर आ रहे हैं, और शुड आई बी सेइंग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर सुमित व्यास, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, विश्वास किनी एंड इशफाक सिंह। वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम। सी only they are making इतना सारा हल्ला। Come on, make some noise now. All right. So, see, thank you so much, Riya. Welcome, Sumit, Ishfaq, विश्वास हुआ आप लोगों को जब आपको पता लगा कि मतलब आप 2 लोग एक जन के साथ हैं, सुमित अकेले करीना के साथ है? नहीं, फिर कैसे? ऐसा दिल को चोट लगी होगी, ठेस पहुंची होगी?
बहुत मेडिटेशन किया,
हाँ,
थोड़ा सेंटर ढूंढा अपना।
हाँ, क्या किया?
फिर सेंटर ढूंढा, मैंने कहा पता नहीं। हाँ,
एंड
और फिर थोड़ा मदद हुई भाई उससे।
अच्छा, मदद हुई। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दिस? या आपको साथ में मतलब मौका मिला ऐसा, लेकिन इनको करीना के साथ आप 2 लोग एक के साथ हैं।
It's okay. I mean, I'm.
ये गहरी लगी है चोट भाई, ये गहरी लगी है, दिख रहा है, मतलब निकलने को तैयार नहीं हो रहा। सुमित, थैंक यू सो मच। या यू वांट टू से समथिंग? आई एम सॉरी। दिल तोड़ के न जा। Okay.
थोड़ा it's a touchy topic, so I won't say much.
लग रहा है मैं पहले ही समझ गया था एंट्री से ही। सुमित भाई, tell us, you know, how was it working with these 4 fantabulous women, yeah? And वो चंद्रमा से गिरना, we have to talk about that, yeah?
Yeah.
What was it, yeah?
I'm trying not to talk about it.
Recently, let me tell you, we went for this wedding. I was hosting this wedding, और वहाँ पे it actually happened, huh? इट एक्चुअली हैपेंड कि वो ऐसा डोली में से बैठा के ला रहे थे और नीचे आते आते धैड़ हो गया वो. So how was the experience working with Kareena?
It was lovely. I mean, you can't.
देखो ऐसा ना, ये मैं ऐसे सवाल पूछूंगा.
एक तो ऐसे सवाल सामने भी नहीं पूछने चाहिए ना. What do you expect me to say?
You have to give me some controversial stuff, ना कुछ लगना चाहिए.
No, of course, it's lovely working with her. It's lovely working with the entire team. They're thorough professionals, and yeah, I mean, it's a learning experience. She's so committed to the craft. She comes so prepared on set.
अच्छी बात है, very good. ओके, लाज शर्म की बात करते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आप तीनों में ज्यादा लाज शर्म है. मतलब आप लोग बहुत ऐसा हिसाब से चल रहे थे. So tell us something about उनके सामने. मतलब वो लोग ज्यादा फन कर रहे हैं या आप लोग कुछ ऐसा ज्यादा कर रहे हो?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, इस फिल्म में तो ये लोग बहुत फन कर रहे हैं. हम तो हाँ, I mean, they are having a good time, and we are having a good time watching them having a good time.
Right.
You know, and that's the need of the hour in today's time.
That is it. And ये देखने को मिलेगा जब हम जाएंगे फिल्म देखने वीरे दी वेडिंग. And लाज शर्म की बात की है, so I think we should invite the singer.
Yes, we should.
And the rapper. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jasleen Royal and NB. Check.
Hello.
The awkward silence. I was waiting. कौन क्या बोलने वाला है? So I would request you guys to be seated and enjoy the performance. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the wonderful gents in this movie. And now for Jasleen and NB. The only one who's enjoying ekdam full too. And yeah, I could see that. So yeah, Swara Bhaskar, come on, make some noise for her. और बाकी तो हम देख रहे थे जैसे जसलीन के कंट्रोल में था पूरा एनबी. हाँ, फुल दिख रहा था यहाँ पे. Okay, so now to introduce the next song, may I invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of Hearts. She is one of the most talented actors in the industry. Give it up for Kareena Kapoor Khan and another superbly talented actress, Shikha Talsania. Zordar taaliya, come on.
Say that again.
शिखा सबसे टैलेंटेड. देखो सबका ख्याल रखना है. So ये अंदर छुपा के था. शिखा सबसे टैलेंटेड, बाकी सब उनसे भी ऊपर टैलेंटेड और वो उनके ऊपर टैलेंटेड.
सच बात है.
बिल्कुल सच बात है.
बहुत सारा टैलेंट है इस फिल्म में. मतलब look at them.
पावर हाउस ऑफ टैलेंट यार. शिखा मतलब आग लगा रखी है इन्होंने. You know, talking about your favorite song, Bhangra Ta Sajda. These people have told me that Kareena is like, यार ये मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. What do you have to say on that?
Well, yeah, I think we had lots of fun shooting the song.
Yeah.
All the Bhangra steps, of course. And I think that Sonam kept banging into us all the time because her hands and legs are so long. So I was like, Arey yaar, you've always being like pushed out. But I think we had a blast, all four of us.
Okay, I was told that Kareena और शिखा साथ में ऊपर आएंगे और सोनम और स्वरा साथ में आएंगे. So is it like कुछ ऐसा competition था क्या? कुछ ऐसा कि जोड़ी बन गई थी?
But well, Sonam and Swara have given 2 blockbusters together. The pressure's on Shikha and me now.
Whoa, that's some news, yeah. So okay, so talking about the music, जैसा मैंने कहा, so हो जाए भंगड़ा ता सजदा. So to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, थोड़ा हल्ला मचाना पड़ेगा. She is the most followed Indian artist on Instagram. She is one of the तोड़-फोड़ music singers, performers. क्या-क्या बोलूं उनके लिए? She is the one and only Neha Kakkar. आ जाओ ऐसे आ जाओ. नहीं, अभी इतनी तारीफ हुई है गाने की, and that to Kareena and Shikha. They are here. What do you have to say on that? जादू की झप्पी तो होगी. अभी क्या बोलना है? भंगड़ा ता सजदा ऐसे चला दिया आपने.
अरे मतलब you know what? I've given my voice to all these pretty ladies और मुझे बेसब्री से इंतजार था कि ये 4 खूबसूरत लड़कियां कब मेरे आवाज पर गाएंगी. And they have done a fabulous job. First of all, जोरदार तालियां for all 4 of them. Everybody!
ओ, अब आवाज निकल रही है इनकी. जी, so हो जाए तो भंगड़ा ता सजदा हो जाए. I would request you wonderful people to be seated. हम तो चाहते कि आप लोग रुके यहाँ, लेकिन so over to Neha Kakkar. Come on, make some noise, guys. Hello, थोड़ा हल्ला मचा लो. जान ही ले लो यार.
Check. The one and only Badshah Bros, Tarifa!
See, ये होता है, देखा, ये होता है, सबका फेवरेट है, पूरी इंडस्ट्री को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. Thank you so much for this wonderful track and we loved it यार. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत.
Thank you,
मेरा बस चलता, मैं कहता हूँ और 4-5 गा लेते हैं, but नहीं हो पाएगा वो यहाँ पे. All right, so now ladies and gentlemen, जैसा मैंने कहा, अभी थोड़ा कुछ controversial सवाल मैं पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ plug करने की भाई लोग, है ना? आपको चाहिए कुछ तड़कता भड़कता मसाला. So in that case, now may I invite on stage the very gorgeous, the very talented Sonam Kapoor Ahuja and her bestie, who's another rocking actress, or on and off screen, matlab, she is just superb, yeah. Give it up for Swara. सोच रहा था सबको एकदम हिसाब से बोलना है.
वोकैबुलरी में और एडजेक्टिव अभी हैं या आपने कर दिया एक्सपायर, क्योंकि 3 बहुत जरूरी लोग आने वाले हैं इसके बाद.
वो तो सबसे जरूरी है वहां पे. मैं लिख के लाया हूं उनके लिए अलग से. ओके, सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वीरेइज्म, कह सकते हैं, क्या बोलना चाहिए, वीरेपंथी, ये जो दोनों की है.
वेरी बैड.
अच्छा आप ही बोल लो. आई न्यू इट्स, यू नो, आई टोल्ड दीस गाइस. हां, वीरे वाइब्स.
Oh God, Swara, क्या अभी? Don't invent hashtags ever. Hashtag. Yeah.
आपस में ही नहीं हो रहा, इनको तो हैशटैग प्रणाम कर देते हैं. हैशटैग मत बनाओ आप लोग. यू नो, टेल अस, as Kareena also, you know, talked about this thing कि आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी इतनी सारी हिट्स दी हुई है, सुपर डुपर हिट्स दी है. सो ये अभी ये था कि बाकी 2 एक्टर्स की, बाकी सबकी चुगली करने के लिए you were like the best people.
No यार, I think it was just ऐसे, पता नहीं रिया ने क्यों किया ये. Why have we distributed like 2 like that? I don't know. अच्छा तो सारे गाने इंट्रोड्यूस करने हैं,
हाँ, सारे गाने हो जाते हैं ना.
बट डोंट क्वेश्चन द फ्लो यार, ये कंट्रोवर्सी तुम लोग क्रिएट कर रहे हो, बट नॉट लाइक दैट. ऑल 4 of us used to chill together all the time.
Right. Swara, are you the one who's having सबसे ज्यादा धमाल? Because शुरू से आखिर तक you are the one. तो ये बाकी लोग तो
according to Kareena on Twitter, she's having the सबसे बड़ा धमाल.
देखो, मेरे को तो अभी प्रोड्यूसर ने बोल दिया कि कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, तो आई एम लाइक मेडिटेशन, मैं ध्यान में जा रही हूँ, मैं विपासना में हूँ आजकल. Mon 10 days of silence.
Right, हम लोग भी
10 days before the release.
हम लोग भी ध्यान लगा रहे हैं और वेट कर रहे हैं इस फिल्म का. So yeah, the next song that we'll be, you know, talking about यहाँ पे is Veere. So please tell us, how was it shooting for the song?
अच्छा, तो हम लोग ने ये थाईलैंड में शूट की. And it was an amazing resort, and I think the producers really, I don't know what they've done to put us up in that hotel, but we were staying in an amazing hotel, or I think that was the highlight of the song. No, I'm not, I'm joking. But but we had an amazing time shooting that song, because it's just 4 of us having a great time, eating great food, and just enjoying ourselves.
And we were shooting the song in this, you know, this club, where there are all these like women wearing really amazingly sexy clothes, doing like crazy things on a pole, which I never seen before. So I remember actually before the song, the day before shoot, a bunch of us went to that club, and I was just like, like, so it has been like, yeah, meta experience.
It has been a great experience.
All the songs have been shot so beautifully. और ये एक गाना है जो कि, you know, ऐसा vacation goals बोले या friendship goals.
Karishma is actually the choreographer of this song, and she's a fantastic female choreographer, and so I was very excited to work with her again, because she'd done another song with us on Khoobsurat as well. So it was amazing working with her again.
Also, you have to spill the beans. ऐसा रिया का कुछ ऐसा था कि ये मेरा brain child है, Veere, because I know that's her favorite song, और she was the one कि इसको चाहिए.
I thought all the songs are your babies, and they're all my favorite when I asked you.
ये फिल्म रिया का बच्चा है.
हाँ.
रिया का पहला बच्चा ये फिल्म है.
पहला नहीं, तीसरा बच्चा.
तीसरा ना.
Last.
ऐसे उठाया, ऐसे लिया और धप करके मार दिया. ये फिल्म रिया का बच्चा है. सुन लो तुम सब लोग, ठीक है? So we'll introduce the song, we'll introduce the singers. The song is Veere. So may we invite on stage Vishal Mishra, ladies and gentlemen. The very talented Vishal is here. Aditi Singh Sharma, come on, powerhouse of talent. Nikita Ahuja and Sharvi Yadav, the wonderful people behind this song.
Fantastic song.
Hi.
welcome. Nikhil bhai, I'll start with you. How was it, you know, ऐसा कुछ जैसा हम तो बोल रहे हैं, it's not a chick flick या जो भी, चार दोस्तों की कहानी है. So how was it? ये दोनों बॉस लेडीज ने कभी बीच में बोला कि नहीं भाई हमको ये ऐसा चाहिए और आपको थोड़ा सा पीछे रहना पड़ गया था, ऐसा बैक स्टेप लेना पड़ गया था?
देखिए मेरी शादी हो चुकी है, तो मैंने शादी से ये सीखा कि चुपचाप लड़कियों की बात मान लेनी चाहिए.
अरे वाह,
बड़ी मार पड़ती है. तो उन्होंने जो कुछ बोला मैंने चुपचाप सुन लिया.
चुपचाप सुन लिया, and the result is fantabulous. We all are loving it. We are waiting for this movie. एकता मैम, this one's for you. Please tell us, ऐसा खुद के जो वीरेश के साथ आपकी जो बॉन्डिंग है, उसको यहाँ पे लाए कहीं पे कि यार, you know, I would love to do this and हम भी ऐसा गए थे या जाना चाहेंगे?
It would not release in India, that film. अगर मेरे वीरेश की पिक्चर बनती, हमारी लैंग्वेज उससे भी ज़्यादा खराब है.
She just said it. She's given you the bite, guys. उससे भी ज़्यादा खराब है.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, मैं आगे बढ़ता हूँ, कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई तो मुझ पे आ जाएगी, है ना? So Riya, what do you have to say on this? You know, backing a project like this and with Sonam in it, what do you have to say?
I mean, for me, it's just a no-brainer. I was brought up by a very strong mom, Sunita Kapoor, who should actually be up here, but I was always taught to just be who I am, and especially my dad. He's really progressive and really liberal, so for me, it was just a no-brainer. But then when I started seeing everyone's reactions to the script, I realized, oh, okay, you know. And then we just went on making the movie like we would make any other film. I don't think there's anything sensational about 4 women just behaving like normal human beings. You know what I mean? But it's not some call to preach to anyone. There's nothing about this film that I felt like, oh my God, we're going out of our way and creating this, you know, statement. Right. The statement is to just live your life the way you want to, and not to give a shit. Yeah. Don't give a shit, because it's a waste of time. Of course. Giving a shit is a waste of time is the moral of the story. Only do it in the morning, and that's it.
I think most of the Kapoor girls here have been ruled by a Sindhi mother. Yeah.
Babtu, Shobha, and Sonu.
उन पे पिक्चर बननी चाहिए.
The creators.
Right. So what we'll do is, इस फिल्म का there's this song, जो कि song नहीं, अब तो वो चार्ट बस्टर होके पता नहीं कहाँ तक निकल गया है. That is तारीफा. So कितनी तारीफा चाहिए यार अभी और आप लोगों को?
You know, this song, there's a young, very, very crazy talented young composer called Karan Mehta. Yes. And he came to meet me about something, and someone introduced me to him, and then he was like, I have this thing, I made it on the plane, I can't get it out of my mind. I was like, okay, let me listen to it. And I heard it on loop, and it was just really bare. It was the melody and these incredible lyrics, and it was just a vibe, and I just loved it, and it reminded me of nothing I had heard before here. Yes. So then we made it, and I was like, it has to be like that number. And I spoke to Ekta, I spoke to Nikhil, spoke to both of them. I was like, I want to make that one big number. And both of them were like, just do whatever you want. Just do. And then we brought our lucky charm, Badshah. He did Abhi To Barish Hui here with us. And the man just knows what flows. He just knows. And this combination has just been, it's just been insane. And I'm so proud of the song. And then we shot the video with Farah. They've all killed the video.
credit goes to Ria and Karan. Ria for giving me this chance to be a part of this film, and Karan for producing and composing this beautiful track. Yes. He's the main man behind Tarifa. He's got a lot more stuff coming up next as well. This is the guy who made Tarifa, ladies and gentlemen. Karan, with a Q.
How difficult or easy is to make this gentleman sing or rap? मतलब कितना आसान होता है?
I think the record speaks for itself. He killed it on the mic, you know, and it's all him. It's all him. He deserves all the Tarifa for this.
And it is really a chartbuster already. Thank you so much, Karan. Bacha Paji, thank you so much. Zordar talia for them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, it's over to you guys. आप लोग के सवाल जवाब. We'll take the media questions now. कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं? अरे किधर है माइक? Yeah. Mic.
I'd like a puff, please.
Yeah.
Pani
We can hear you. Yeah.
Hello. And chai.
And chai. Yeah.
Like, are we doing this
Hello?
now? Can we ask for things and all?
Yeah.
You can ask for things for 9 more days. After June 1st, you can't ask for anything. Ekta, me and Nikhil are cutting you all off.
Hello? Hello?
You know the first question. She's ready. पूछ लो आप पूछ लीजिए please. Yeah. Go ahead with your question.
Good evening, Veeres. This is Soumyata from DNA.
Where are you?
I'm here. Hello, hello, hello. I'm here. Good evening, Veeres. You're looking stunning. I'm Soumyata from DNA. And my question is to you, Kareena. So your character Kalindi in the film, Kalindi, right? Yeah. Kalindi in the film is someone who is commitment phobic. But you have always been very, you know, someone who is never shied away from, you know, talking about your relationships and your married life. So what was that one thing that made you take up this role of Kalindi?
I think it was not that, you know, she was commitment phobic that made me take up the role. I think what made me take up this part was because I think for a commercial mainstream actor who's always used to working with actors opposite, you know, mainstream actors, be it Shah Rukh or Salman, I think for me it was very different to be a part of a film with 4 girls. I think the story is what I just got completely obsessed by. I thought it was really cool, and I think who better than this entire team to put this film together. So I think this was the reason I wanted to do it. And as far as Kalindi is concerned, I think that she's a really cool character, and there's a reason why she's commitment phobic, which we'll see in the film.
Okay, thank you so much, Kareena.
Hello, hi. This is Harnit Kaur from Bollywood Times.
Hi, Harni.
Hi, Kareena ma'am. So we have always seen you have worked with the A-listers of Bollywood. And this time it is a different scene. What do you have to say about that? Heroes, A-lister heroes.
Well, I've chosen the A-lister heroines this time.
Okay. And one more thing. Is Album Se, which is the song which describes you guys in personal life, all 4 of you? Your real life character.
I think Veere, the title track.
Veere? Kareena ma'am?
You think so?
Just say it. Just say you want to say it. I know what you want to say. Just say it.
Well, okay, I think I'm hot, so I'll go with Tarifa.
Yeah, see, I knew it.
Swara?
I think it would have to be large Sharam Chand.
Okay, and
तुम्हें कोई शर्म नहीं स्वरा.
And Shikha.
Because we are sharing a mic.
Sorry. No, it's okay. Now I have 2. For me, it will be Bhangra Ta Sachda.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi, we can see you.
Yeah, okay. Nilima here from News 18 Lokmat. My question is to Kareena. Which is the most funniest moment on set which you want to share right now? Anyone else also can say. Most funniest moment.
I think it would have to be when throwing Sumit off the moon. I think that was quite funny because I've never done that in my career. I've never had the opportunity to throw a hero off from a moon. So thank you to the script writers, Ria, all of you for giving me this. It'll be I think it's going to go down in history.
It's an honor.
I've pushed. So I enjoyed that.
मेरा सवाल प्रोड्यूसर से है एकता रिया सेंसर बोर्ड को लेकर आप लोग को कितनी प्रॉब्लम हुई या अभी तक नहीं आपने फिल्म
हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज हमारे सेंसर बोर्ड ने अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम हमें दी नहीं है एंड वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्कस इट बिकॉज अभी तक सेंसर हमारे हाथ में आया नहीं है. जब आएगा आपको एक फॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट मिल जाएगा. रुचिका यहाँ शिवर कर रही है उसको कुछ बट हमारे दोनों रिया और मेरे डैड गए थे एंड दे पुट अप इक्वल आर्गुमेंट बिकॉज अगर हम ऐसी पिक्चर बना सकते हैं जिसके लिए हमारे फादर जा सकते हैं क्लियरली इट्स नॉट अ फिल्म दैट एनी ऑफ अस कैन बी अशेम्ड ऑफ. द बॉयज हैव गॉन celebrated Father's Day. Yeah, answer.
What she said. She's the boss, dude.
No. This time, Riya's the boss.
Okay. सोनम और करीना आप सबसे ये सवाल है यहाँ पे अभी टी-शर्ट्स मिली थी जिसमें चिक फ्लिक का नाम लिया गया है लेकिन ये फिल्म चिक फ्लिक नहीं है. उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और इस फिल्म के गाने ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे हिट हो गए हैं काफ़ी कामयाब हुए हैं. आगे क्या सोचा है आप लोगों ने किस तरह से आगे प्रमोशन करने वाले हैं?
आई थिंक ये स्वरा आंसर करेगी.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
मौन रखा है. अच्छा बेबो.
I'll say. Basically, the hashtag of I'm not a chick flick came up because, you know, we were just thinking about it, and everywhere that I would go, Ekta would go, Nikhil would go, everyone, the girls would go, everyone would say that it looks fun, yeah, looks like a great chick flick. Looks like a chick flick. Acha, you're making a chick flick, right? This Veere Di Wedding, it's a chick flick. And I'm like, why is Charlie's Angels a chick flick and Rush Hour an action comedy? Why is my entire gender in one genre? I just want to know. All films that have women in it are in one genre, and, you know, so I just feel like, you know, and Veere Di Wedding is so much more than one thing. It's more than a comedy. It's more than a drama. It's more than, you know, it's life. And it's fun. And I don't think it can be put in a box. And I don't think any of us as girls can be put in boxes either. So that's what it is. It's a revolt against labels. Ladies against labels. Yeah. I am not a chick flick.
Hashtag ladies versus labels. I think Ria should come up with hashtags, not Swara or me.
No hashtags allowed. Hashtag.
Hi, Kareena, this is towards the back. Hi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. Kareena, I wanted to know what's your idea of feminism? What do you feel about the concept? And are you one?
Well, I believe in equality. I wouldn't say I'm a feminist. I would say I'm a woman. And above all, I'm a human being. But also, I mean, I'm as proud to be known as Saif Ali Khan's wife as I am to be Kareena Kapoor. So that's just the way I am.
Sonam, hi, here.
Hi.
Sonam, we know that the movie, like your movie and Bhavesh Joshi are coming out on the same day. But today we also read that you are planning to move the release date because it's not.
Why am I in
like,
this? I have no.
Veere Di Wedding makers are planning.
The makers are here. Why are you asking me the question?
Okay, so anyone can answer.
Yeah, so I don't.
Is the release
Ria,
date still
take
the
this
same?
one, Ria.
Yeah.
I'll go with whatever you say.
We are not pushing any date. And yeah, does that answer your question?
Okay.
All right, we'll just take one last question. Ria?
Yes.
Yeah, straight down here. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Anand
Hi.
from Hungama.
Hi.
Hi. So when the promo came out, there were some prudish reactions to the language, but I think by the time it went to the fans and the people, they've responded very well to the way the girls are interacting. So do you think that's kind of validation because to the TG you're talking to, they kind of identify with it and they know that there's nothing objectionable. This is how 4 girls in 2018 should talk.
Yeah, it's not about should. Like, for example, you know, they ask Kareena, like, Bebo, are you a feminist? You know, what is the definition of a feminist? Is someone who believes that boys and girls are equal. That is a feminist, okay? That's the actual definition if you look it up in the dictionary. So, coming back to your question, I'm actually not surprised. My TG that you speak of are normal girls, human girls, women, boys, people who interact with human girls, other humans, you know, and they see how people behave, and they know this is what is true. So how can you be angry about the truth, yeah? You know, you just have to be relaxed about it. And you have to, basically the film is, what is the film? It just assumes that everyone already knows that girls are just like you. They make the same mistakes, they use the same language, you know, they're just prettier.
I'd just like to add, इस सारे स्टेज पे सिर्फ मैं अकेला इकलौता लड़का बैठा हूँ, तो इससे समझ में आना चाहिए लड़कियों का टाइम चल रहा है बॉस, समझ गए आप?
Fab.
ओके या और सवाल और ले सकते हैं हम, वक्त है. यस यस मैम, बिल्कुल. नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद.
Hi, Sandeep here from ANI. You all 4 ladies are looking really gorgeous.
What are we here for? Props?
Wow, you're looking. I'm so sorry, I just missed you. You're looking beautiful
that's
too.
Even better.
All right, Ria, you two look good. All right.
Thanks,
yeah,
man.
you too.
Thank you, dude.
You should do a Me Too on this one, man.
All
You
right.
can't be
नहीं,
you
मुझे
too,
तो
man.
कोई उम्मीद ही नहीं है, पर carry on.
हाँ, तो सवाल यही है.
First of all, never do this. When there are 6 girls, never compliment 4.
I apologize.
Oh my God. You have a nice voice, so we forgive you.
All right. रिहा, सवाल आपसे ये है. हमने जब यहाँ पे स्टार कास्ट आ रहे थे, सुमित व्यास आ रहे थे और बाकी के जो कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे थे, मेल कैरेक्टर्स की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, काफ़ी डरे डरे थे. और ये हमारे सामने जितनी भी खूबसूरत हसीनाएं बैठी हैं, काफ़ी उनको देख करके अच्छा लग रहा है. दे आर लाइक डोमिनेटिंग मेंस. राइट, आई एम हियर. सो क्या यही दृश्य हम पिक्चर में भी देखेंगे? और अगला सवाल ये भी है कि आज पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ गए हैं, तो विल दैट अफेक्ट इन योर मूवी?
ये सवाल आपको प्रोड्यूसर से पूछना
This I'm answering. You know, the boys, the characters in the film, especially, I have to say, Sumit's character in the film, Rishabh, is one of my favorite boys. Like, everyone should have a Rishabh, you know. So there is no dominating, there's nothing, you know. Bhandari, who is played by Vishwas, is my favorite character in the film, sorry. And he is just, he's outstanding. The man is an inspiration. And there's no such thing, you know, like girls are like girls in the film, boys are like boys. Everyone's just behaving normal in this film.
और mother lover भी होने चाहिए समाज में.
हाँ, Ishfaq, I can't say anything about your character because I'll give it away. But yeah, and the petrol prices, I don't know. My mother does my accounts. You can ask her.
बॉस, अभी फाइनली मेरे कपड़ों पर फाइनली ध्यान दिया. लेट मी टेल यू, पेट्रोल प्राइसेस जितनी भी बढ़ जाएं, लड़के लड़कियों को ड्राइव पे लेकर ही जाएंगे और लड़कियां आजकल लड़कों को ड्राइव पे लेकर जाएंगी. एंड दिस इज द मूवी यू आर नॉट गोना स्टॉप वाचिंग बिकॉज पेट्रोल प्राइसेस आर, बिकॉज at this time you need to spend less on driving and more in the theater.
Woo!
Right.
Not that there was any connection in my answer and the question, but same for the question and the answer.
Hi, Swara.
Swara, come on, do something for this.
No, I'm
press
scared
conference.
already.
Come on, Swara, we are releasing you. We are releasing you. The producers have released you. Come on, Swara.
What's up?
Need good copy.
मोहतरमा माइक ले
आपकी
लेती.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही मैम.
स्वरा, हमने एक गाने में आपको देखा पोल डांस करते हुए, और अब तक जितनी भी फिल्में हमने आपकी देखी, अब तक सबसे डिफरेंट अवतार है इस फिल्म में आपके लिए. तो कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा आपके लिए पोल डांस करना?
I'm so proud of you.
मैडम, मैंने इस फिल्म में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें करी हैं जो कभी नहीं करी हैं फिल्मों में, और कुछ ऐसी चीजें करी हैं जो जिंदगी में कम ही करी हैं. तो मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ, रिया और एकता जी और निखिल और राइटर्स का मतलब शुक्रिया कर सकती हूँ मैं.
And Shashank Ghosh.
And Shashank, कि मुझे ये मौका मिला.
Delivering the film and is not here right now. We
Yeah.
miss you, Shanks.
And मेरी कमर टूट गई है, वो अलग बात है.
स्वरा, आपने वो बेरोजगार.
आऊं मैं माइक लेके? हाँ, आगे ना बस.
Hi.
So I read about this
WhatsApp group that you guys have, and I just wanted to know what's the most scandalous conversation that you've ever had on that group?
Huge mess. The group is called Huge Mess.
I was trying to avoid saying what it was called, Riya and Priya.
Yeah.
I'm not saying what's in the
Sonam
group.
said the group is called Kapoors. I was like, but I'm not on any of this.
Didn't want anybody to know what the title of the
I'm on
group.
Huge Mess.
It's called a Huge Mess.
I can't confirm or deny anything that happens in that group.
We pretend that we are not.
I can neither confirm nor deny, but definitely the film reflects life. So watch it and you'll know what goes on.
Thank you.
All right, that's it. Yeah, it's. आप तो बड़ी देर से हाथ हिला रहे थे वहाँ पे. हाँ, आओ.
Hi, Kareena. I'm Kajol from Filmfare. I wanted to know what was Saif's reaction to you watching in Tarifa and going all hot.
Saif's actually, actually, I don't think I can say that in public.
That was great. And what was Sonam, Anand's reaction watching you?
Anand's reaction?
Yeah.
He's like, baby, you look hot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
हो गया इससे पहले because I'll say one last question or suddenly I'll see somebody waving at me. Yes,
thank you so
please. One last question. We'll take this and we'll wrap it up.
Good evening. This is Hina from NDTV. You all are looking really pretty. Movie में एक song है भंगड़ा ता सजदा. No one gives a damn. So when was the last time when everybody danced like no one gives a damn?
At Sonam's wedding.
Sonam's wedding, yeah.
I danced at my best friend's birthday last night, and I think I broke my knee. So yeah, Bhangra Taj is that. No one gives a damn. I hope I'm okay by the time this film releases.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, सिफारिश आई है यहाँ पे. जी पूछिए. क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं रही भाई आज तो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन की.
ये सवाल मेरा सोनम, करीना, स्वरा और आपसे, शिखा आपसे है. क्या आप लोगों को लगता है कि इंडिया जो कंट्री है,
ये आवाज बहुत सुनी सुनी लग रही है मुझे. Who's asking? Oh no.
This is Ravi
from
ABP News.
Kill it, Swara.
India country are the first two words of the सवाल.
क्या आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया एज अ कंट्री साइमल्टेनियसली 16th सेंचुरी में जी रहा है और 21st सेंचुरी में भी जी रहा है? क्योंकि आज भी हमें ऐसी फिल्में बनानी पड़ती है, आज भी हमें ऐसी बुक्स लिखनी पड़ती है जिसमें बताना पड़ता है लोगों को एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. लड़कियों की भी अपनी एक डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, सेक्सुअल डिज़ायर्स होती हैं, नॉर्मल डिज़ायर्स होती है, सेक्सुअल फैंटेसीज होती है. आज भी लोगों को ये बार बार बोलना पड़ता है. तो इस बारे में आप लोगों की क्या राय है?
Swara is going to answer this question. Swara wants to answer this question.
मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ. आप मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानियाँ पढ़िए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आज तक ये पहले इसका खुलासा नहीं हुआ है. मैं आपको फिल्मों, आप इसके बाद मुझसे मिलिए, मैं आपको 10 ऐसी फिल्मों का नाम दूंगा जिसमें इन सारी बातें फिल्मों में बहुत खुल के कही गई हैं.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज भी इस कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन में हम जी रहे हैं कि लोगों को बताना पड़ता है कि भाई लड़कियों की भी डिजायर्स हैं. ये सवाल है मेरा.
130 करोड़,
आप मेरे सवाल को गलत ले रहे हैं.
130 करोड़ लोगों की आबादी का देश है. कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस होंगे ही.
स्वाभाविक बात है. And I agree with you. I feel that for us it's always going to be like this, and that's the fun of it. And you're right.
And इसलिए ये फिल्म खास है, राइट? मतलब क्योंकि एंड आई थिंक कि वो जो अंतर्द्वंद की बात कर रहे हैं आप, वो तो ऑब्वियसली हर समाज में होगा ही, कहीं पे भी दुनिया में. इंसान के अंदर भी होता है, समाज में भी होता है. सो ऑब्वियसली वो हमारी फिल्मों में भी और रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. बट आई थिंक कि आई एम सेइंग दिस एवरी सिंगल डे, दिस माई नारा, बट आई थिंक इट रियली ज़रूरी है बोलना कि 105 साल हो गए हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को 1913 से, और पहली बार मेन स्ट्रीम बॉलीवुड एक ऐसी हिंदी फिल्म बना रहा है जिसमें 4 लड़कियां दोस्त हैं, उनकी ज़िंदगी की कहानी है, और किसी को सेम लड़के से प्यार नहीं हो रहा है. तो वो कमाल की बात है और वो खास बात है इस फिल्म की.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. बाकी वो कुछ साहित्य है निखिल भाई के पास. I'm sure he'll share it with you.
सोनम.
So हो गया बस. We'll have to wrap up. पूछ लो फिर, चलो.
करीना और सोनम, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस सवाल?
I think जो स्वरा ने कहा, मैं उससे बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ.
कूल है.
Hi.
अब
Can I ask one thing to Ekta? Hi, Ekta. Bhavna, this side from Z. Ekta, how did you plan to back this film? And since everyone is saying it's not a chick film, it's not a chick film, आपके लिए film क्या है?
मेरे लिए ये film एक film है. As a businesswoman, I'm very sure about this film. I am actually I love the script. When I was in my career low, I picked it up. I trust the producers. I have 4 hot, stellar actresses in it. And I have always believed that when I had a film which was not so successful on paper, it has become super successful even before release. Dirty Picture, I was told that this film is a flop. How can you make a film with Vidya Balan playing a heroine and that also an item number girl and this and that, never gonna happen. And that film got sold before. Same way, my mother came and hugged me after she saw the film. She's called me up and said, this is a bloody outstanding film. I just wish we were born at this time where we could take these steps. The movie has clearly covered most of its cost, and we are looking at a great, great, great clean run. So I think I'm a happy producer.
Yay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So also
Harsh,
one more
that's
thing. Guys, I just have to say that Shashank Ghosh is the captain of the ship, the director of a film. He did Khoobsurat with me, and he's done some wonderful films before that. And he has made an amazing film, and we're all very, very proud of it. And thank you, Shashank.
Yes.
We miss you.
We miss you.
Also, there's this super cool music director, ladies and gentlemen. नाम बुलाया था वो आई नहीं, शाश्वत Sachdeva. Give it up for him. He's here. So would like to invite him on stage. Of course, we want you to, come up. Congratulations on this mind-blowing album. है ना? So just a couple of words आपसे भी सुनना चाहेंगे. इतनी तारीफ हो रही है. What do you have to say about the music? Already a blockbuster.
So I met Riya. I came from LA and I met Riya in my second month of being in Mumbai a couple of years back. And when I delivered the music, recently I went to Riya and I started crying. And I told her that I would have gone back if I wouldn't have met her. Also, another thing that I don't know if many people know about her as a producer is that she's not just a film producer. There is a term internationally which is called as a music producer. And there are these bigger people that work with labels and nurture artists and nurture talent, and they find intelligent musicians, calling myself an intelligent musician here. They find intelligent musicians and then they nurture them, and she was one such person who did not do it just for me, but did it for all the other people and all the composers, my co-composers in the film. And it is something, I worked with her for 2 years and never once I felt sad. And whenever, there were times when I felt sad, or there were times when I was not convinced or was uninspired, and I would call her up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and the only thing she would tell me is, Shah, you just need to sleep, and maybe we'll do a great song tomorrow. So guys, I really think that you have to give Riya the credit for not just being a great producer, but a great musician herself.
Bro, thank you so much. That was superb. नहीं बैठो ना आप ऐसे कैसे जाओगे? So we also have these winners, ladies and gentlemen, from Red FM. We'd like to invite them on stage. Also, RJ Rishi Kapoor is here. So Rishi, come on. Make some noise for these wonderful people. Yeah, we'll have this quick photo up with the winners. So request all you wonderful people to kindly stand.